Good morning, YouTube. It's been a hectic last month, and I know I haven't updated my garden or done any videos or anything. I had a close personal family death, and so it's taken some time to get back to myself, and I decided today would be a good day. It's nice and sunny. It rained last night, so I'm going to get my fall garden going. And I thought I'd update you on how things are going in the backyard. I'll do a front yard in a little while. It's really sunny out right now. I'm not even sure you're going to be able to see this, but plus I have a bad cold. The strawberries, with all the cool weather we've been having lately, decided it was spring and they should bloom again and set on. So I'll probably have a bowl full before it's over and done. My container corn didn't do good at all, or didn't do well, sorry. But I planted some beans in there at the last minute, so put a couple stalks up for them to climb, so hopefully we'll serve a purpose for that. Kale is going crazy. I have the big and the little curlies. They're doing very well. I have a few broccoli back here that's putting on heads, but they don't look real nice. I've been trying to chop them off till the weather starts getting cold so they don't get a seed on me. And then I planted corn back there too, and that's all the bigger it got. That's because it's in the backyard. I'm not going to try it again next year in the backyard. We got purple, red romaine, whatever you want to call it, going to seed there. Sage. And a giant volunteer dill. The tomato plant that was in this bed I had to pull because it died. And there's the green pepper and strawberries. See what I'm talking about? Just putting on like it's spring. My tomatoes, I don't know, they just did not do well. They were fighting blight and other things on and off, so, and the ones I transferred to the bucket looked wonderful at first, and now they don't, so I don't know. This is my herb bed. There's all kinds of stuff in here. The dill is shading most of it, but there's parsley and basil, oregano, and some onions and chives back there. I've got carrots planted down through here. They don't sprout very well for me. And a few tomato plants that just aren't doing well. They're going to get pulled so that my beans can get more sun. Those are red scarlet runner beans. And these are actually broad beans. So we'll see if we get any off of that. And I planted what I thought was regular cucumbers. We're getting something funky going on down here. But it apparently is the little lemon cucumbers. And I wanted long ones. I have plenty of lemons. Oh well. Cabbage is starting to come out of its little funk. I've got some pepper plants going on. Carrots. See what I'm talking about the tomatoes? You should see the tomato in the front yard. These are sweeties, and the other ones are sweet 100s, but still, it's just night and day difference. This tomato plant is looking a bit better than it was. I need to stake it up a little more. And the bottom looks like it's getting blight. But it was just a scraggly thing. So maybe there's hope for it after all. It's really weird. These tomatoes look different than these. So I don't know. I don't know a lot. I'm new at this. I've only been doing it a few years. Took our pool down. Pineapple is trucking along. Still undecided as to whether, I just don't think I'm going to risk it and put it in the greenhouse. There's my little makeshift greenhouse for now. Got a green pepper plant in there, amongst all my other gardening supplies for now. The apple trees look pretty good. It looks like there's something attacking them. We'll wait it out and see. Blackberries doing pretty well. Of course, one of my compost containers. And this is a volunteer compost tomato I plucked out of the ground about a month ago and stuck it in here. It's already putting on tomatoes for me, so the one I didn't intend. And this is the show stealer. This tomato plant grew out of my compost down there. One of the kids dumped it when they were turning it. And so, lo and behold, this thing sprouted out of it. So I threw a bunch of dirt over top of the roots that were pretty much bare at the bottom, because it was just growing out of the top of the ground, living off of the compost juice. But obviously this is where I need to stick my tomatoes or something, or it's just the compost juice doing it. This thing is unreal. I need to get out here and stake it again. Look at these tomatoes. This is my hand. I mean, they're just getting so big, they're bursting. This one bursted. I'll have to take it off there. I don't even know if it's ripe yet, because I don't know what variety this is. It looks like a stripey. I thought it was a brandywine, but it looks like a stripe of some sort. But look at those tomatoes. It's just unreal. You saw my other plants, none of them produce like that. None. I still got the Swiss chard in the pot. My raspberry bush has really taken off and is producing very, very well. So we'll take a sneak peek at it, and then I'm getting bowlfuls every couple days off this thing. And it needs tied up too. Neighbor's looking at me like I'm crazy. So I guess I'll end this video, and hopefully everyone's had a good summer and gardening's working out for you, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.